Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about another SPAC merger of Latch that is merging with TSIA. It's a software SaaS services company that just announced today. And let's take a look at how the chart looks like. This morning, and look at the chart right here from $10 from the beginning, and it shoot up to $26. Right up to the announcement. That is crazy, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my channels. And I also have Discord, link below. You can join our Discord. Okay, guys. Wow, this is the second SPAC merger that Chamath, that pushing out today. After SPRQ, and this is this is the second one just within the day. So this guy is on the roll, man. Okay, let's check out the investor presentation. Okay, let's check out what services they provide. Okay, so as you can see, it's $1 billion valuation, valuations for this SPAC merger. Okay, and you know, and what they does is like, and what they do is like, they provide software services for, for smart, for smart building markets. Okay, let's check it out. What they're talking about here. So they provide a lot of services such as like, smart access to, to residents and staff, and deliveries and gas management and smart home sensors, and connections and resident experience. So they provide like, you know, software services for, to just make real estate, management, better, smarter, And check this out. And they have 167 million book revenues, and software revenues on here is 96 million. And you look at and you look at the percentage, 546% growth, since 2018 to 2020. That's crazy. That's crazy. No wonder from $10 shot up to $26. You do it this still just announced. Okay. And okay, Sean's SaaS service, business and customer engagements. So I guess, um, you know, a lot of a lot of those SaaS services, or all those like software revenue, they always have like a lot of recurring revenue. So which is good that that the customer, like, it's a good way to retain their customers, right? So they have 97% of customers prepay for their for this software services agreements already. So which is good. You guarantee a lot of revenues already coming in. Okay. So the market for the apartments, buildings, operating system is massive. I do agree. So they provide a lot of services to apartments and to a lot of rentals, I would think. Multi-family apartment unit, single family apartment unit, 32 millions and 15 million. So their customer base is huge, right? As long as there's more apartment is out there, the more service they're gonna get. You see all those devices that they have, you see all those hardware device, and you see all those like software, you know, that they have. I mean, this new age, everybody just want things more in like more events, right? Everything's like you can control by your phone, or you can, like you can just remotely do everything, right? So, like you can just open your door without a key, right? This type of service that they probably provide, right? You know what I mean? So, packaging. rooms. I mean, everything looks pretty, pretty unique. So there are a lot of, real estate, management that's backing them up. So that's great. So yeah, look, 100% gross revenue retention. That's the number, that's the percentage you want to see, right? You want the retention, you want the customers to keep coming back. $1 billion valuations. Let's check out the numbers right here real quick. The revenue growing from 49% at 2020 and 21, it's 80%. And then 22 is 123% on the year-to-year growth basis. And you have the 5 year in the row that, after 5 years later, you're still growing at 25% annual compound growth rate. Okay. That's some high growth number right here. Okay, guys. If you're paying a premium for if you're paying a premium for this SPAC, then you are pretty much paying this growth number right here. And also you're paying for the for the management team, right? In my opinion, anything Chamath is touching is hitting over $20. So right now, I think it's sitting at 15 right now. So my opinion is like I might start like a small positions on this, like us, if they a little bit more, I probably gonna buy a little bit more, but like with Chamath is in the pipe, on this investment, and then also with anything with the technology that can improve like our life or can make make everything is easier. I think it's something that I want to be investing into. Everything that related to technologies or you know or computers. Anything that can get you know change things and innovations in some way. That's something that I want to invest into. So I truly think this company would be a good one to look into. And like I say, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is something that you guys should definitely pay attention to and keep it on your watch list. And I mean, it have the potential that after it came out, it's from $10 to $26, which is I would think there's a lot of people paying attention to it and a lot of people liking this company. Okay, but today's SPAC market and the overall market, it's kind of sell off a little bit during the day. So you see a big pullback right here, from 26 to 15. So so if from this technical standpoint, if you stop accumulating shares around this level, and and the days closer to the mergers, it probably gonna go back up, right, to the level that from the previous resistance. If you can see right here, there's $26. So all right, guys, please like and subscribe my channel. And in my opinion, SaaS, companies, cloud companies, and like semiconductor companies and EV companies and solar companies, all those like company that related to technologies, and any company that actually make the world better. That's the company that you want to invest to. Okay, and put this on your watch list. I think this is a great company to look into. Okay, guys, thank you.